Okay, Mike, what you doing up there? So now, as for the G3 on this here, tell me the difference.
This sets up quicker, which is good because you don't want to
And
play
it's
around
more
with the
clay-like,
ball.
right?
Yeah, it's more like a putty, and it's similar to like an N. It's so smooth,
Like an N, yeah, like type N concrete.
and it will stick. So far, it sticks to anything we put it on.
And it holds.
Yeah, it's more like a vertical mix also the way it sticks.
That's what's beautiful about this thing. So when you're patching, you can do, okay, look at that thing we just showed. And brother, you did that one over there, right? And look, it's already set up, right? We basically built it up, you know. I wish I had video of that.
Yeah,
But
scratch coat.
no scratch coat. You don't have to put a scratch coat first. You don't got to do all that. You come straight up in here, and then we add it, and then we brush this as we did it. So we put that on, brushed it, and then we put the vines right over it. Almost like clay. Just basically built the whole dang thing out. And it's structural as anything. That thing is just structural. I mean, it is strong as any. You think about that, just the way we put the whole thing together.
It's like the former G and vertical combined.
Compare it, isn't it? Yeah. And you know, of course, you can't go structure with the vertical, but with this you can, and that's the game changer. We basically built this, put a piece of PVC pipe in here, as you can see the PVC pipe there, and went around it all the way up in here. Built all the thing that there's not a mix out there anything close to this. And what we're doing with it is just phenomenal. So we're pretty excited about it. All right. So we're going to show you how we mix this, when to add fiber, when not to add fiber. Okay, so what now?
We add a bag of fiber to about 3 bags of our panel mix.
Okay. This, add some stuff underneath there and you'll see the difference. Yeah.
So we can go thinner with this, and if you just, the 3, it's easier to mix, simple to mix. You don't, on the remix, you don't get as long, but you don't need it if you guys are throwing up the mud.
Right.
It should be setting around anyways.
If you get it quick, right? Yeah.
Right.
Cool.
And you can go thinner on the panel, and it's actually stronger. We should try breaking one with this.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Before, like with the 3, put a piece of board down, throw the panel on it. It's strong, but it would break.
Yeah.
This one, we'll throw it, and it doesn't want to break.
Yeah, that's
It's
it.
tough.
That's it right there. All right, guys, thanks. All right, here we go. All right, big panel. Won't break.
Business owner in the first golf course.
Won't break.
How's the mudding coming along, you guys? Peachy. What's the secret, Devin?
Feather as you go.
Feather as you go. chose poorly.
Hi. You go do it again? That was a great jump. Hold on a second. Let me see him go down first. Then you want to go first? Wow, that's a big jump. Thank you.
Launching.
Yeah, let's go.
We just launched and chose poorly.